Hey, it's Eric with Premier Pack Dog Training, another edition of Divine Talks Dogs. And I'm here in my son's parking lot for school right now, waiting for him to be let out. So I figure I'd talk to you for a minute. It's a subject that I've been wanting to address, and that is the idea, and that's all it is, right? It's an idea that if you use a prong collar and e-collar on a dog, you're going to turn it aggressive. And that is so far from the truth. In fact, it's the opposite. I see it all the time. They teach that on paper. It's part of a textbook. It doesn't really happen. Now, if you are just abusing a dog, you can do that with anything you want, including your hands, right? But when we're talking training, being able to effectively give a well-timed correction, it does the opposite. It will let a dog know that certain behaviors are not allowed. Now, case in point, a Rottweiler that I worked with about a year ago, I get a call from its owner saying, she bit a neighbor and she's been biting me as well. And I'm like, well, I got to get involved with this. So I set up a consultation. And they bring up the point that, we haven't been using the e-collar or prong collar in a long time. Oh, okay. So they've been letting things slide, is what they've been telling me. They've been letting the dog go without any measure of correction when it acts up. So the dog has continued to slide downhill in its behavior, and they recognized it was due to lack of using these tools and being able to effectively give corrections when needed. So I got on them about using them again, tightening up that obedience, enforcing rules and boundaries in the house, taking away the freedom and really giving the dog a lot of structure right now. Within days, I hear back from them talking about how much better it's been since we've talked. So here we have a clear example of dog being trained with the tools, and I saw none of that behavior. They stopped using the tools, and things got considerably worse. They started using the tools again, and it got better. So here we are in the field, hands-on, study, if you will. Not a paper study, hands-on study, showing that this does not cause aggression. In fact, it can subvert it. So if you have any questions about these tools, I'm happy to talk to you further about them. But don't be dissuaded by the propaganda against these tools. Okay? They're super highly valuable and have been the means to help dogs to the point of saving their lives. Just like this dog I was talking about, if this dog was not getting the training that it's getting now, its future would be very much in question. So there you have it. Thank you for listening. Eric with Premier Pack. Talk to you later.